Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out the Collab Fantaseyes Fan Effect Mascara. So this is one of the products that caught my attention at Sally Beauty Supply because I love mascaras that keep the lashes fanned out. And so I love to try out mascaras, but I'm very picky. However, this sounds like exactly what I look for. It's supposed to make the lashes defined, curled, volumized. So I love that. Plus this has nourishing ingredients, jojoba oil and castor oil, which are great for the lashes. So let's go ahead and put this to the test. Ooh, beautiful packaging. Let's see what this wand looks like. Oh, this is a pretty big wand. Hopefully it's not going to be too messy. Like, it's huge and the bristles are kind of a little bit like kind of going all over the place. This wand is making me a little nervous, but let's just go ahead and see how it is. It does seem to be able to reach every lash. I got this in the shade black, and it's not a super dark black, but it's fine. It's not clumping. I mean, first impression, it's all right. Nothing too impressive just yet, but hopefully it's going to be buildable. I'll try it out on the lower lashes, but it seems like maybe a little bit of a too big of a wand for this. Yeah, it's kind of hard to get it to stick onto these lower lashes. I don't want to get mascara all over my under eye. So yeah, it's really tough on the lower lashes. Can't even really get them to show up much. But getting a lot of the mascara on my under eye. I did get some on my eyelid as well. Ooh, and that's just brushing away easily. That's good. I like when it doesn't smudge. It can just easily brush away. So if it is going to get all over my eyelid and under eye, I want it to at least be easy to remove. But let's see how it builds up. It is giving more volume as I'm building it up. Kind of hard to get it to stick onto the tips of the lashes. So trying to tap, and that's actually really helping. Still no clumping, but the lashes are not staying as fanned out as I would have liked to see. They are already kind of sticking together, which is exactly what I was hoping this would not do. It is pretty curling, but not very volumizing, separating, defining. I feel like I need to layer it up even more. Yeah, I am really glad that it's not smudging. But it is kind of frustrating when I have to layer and layer and it takes so long to get to the point where I want my lashes to look. At least this is buildable. Like, the more I'm applying, the more volume I'm getting, and the better the lashes look, but it's just taking so long to get there. So now, many layers later, I like how the lashes are looking. They're not super separated, but they're also not completely stuck together. So I like it. I could go for like a little bit more volume, a little bit more separation, a little darker, but I really like the curl, and I like that it's not smudging and that I can get it to lengthen by tapping at the ends of the lashes. So not the best mascara ever, but still pretty good. Let's go ahead and just try it on the other eye. The good, but also kind of bad thing about this Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series that I do is that I have tried out so many products now that I'm very picky and I have a lot to compare to, because if I hadn't tried out as many mascaras as I have, I would probably think this is such an incredible mascara. But yeah, definitely not for those lower lashes though. But the finished look that I'm able to get is so nice. It gives that falsy effect that I try to get with my lashes. But this is messy and it's taking so long to get there. So I've just kind of lost that patience that I used to have for mascaras, because I know that you don't always have to spend so long on them. But I guess the results are worth it with this mascara. But it's so messy. At least it's very easy to remove. But especially on my left eye, I always get mascara all over the place. But so here are how my lashes look now. And they look great. This is probably my favorite Sally Beauty Supply product that I've tried out, but I really haven't had much luck with any of the Sally Beauty Supply makeup that I've tried out lately. But I would really like to hear in the comments down below, what are your favorite Sally Beauty Supply products? It doesn't even have to be just makeup. I just was so excited to do this little makeup haul, and I haven't had that much luck, but maybe it's gonna be turning around, because this product was, in the end, pretty impressive. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.